Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Blount County until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:56 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Locust Fork, or 8 miles southwest of Cleveland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oneonta, Cleveland, Locust Fork, Altoona, Susan Moore, Allgood, Fairview, Nectar, Rosa, Highland Lake, Easley, and Hendricks. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Blount, Alabama.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.